Hey YouTube, it's me, Jonah. And today, my wife Nancy is gonna make seafood fried rice.
Okay.
This is the eggs.
And the first thing she does is scramble 4 to 5 eggs and places it in her well-oiled wok. And cook it at medium temperature.
Temperature? What's the temperature?
Medium.
Medium temperature. Okay.
And just to let you know, if you like my video and find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video.
Okay, so you fried up some eggs and you take them out.
Then she takes out her fried eggs and puts it off to the side.
Off to the side. You need some more oil.
Oil in there. Oh, what's that?
Some garlic.
What's that?
A little bit of garlic.
A bit of garlic,
Red onion.
red onions. Stir.
I love that aroma of garlic and onions.
Add some shrimp.
Shrimp. What's that?
Scallop.
Scallop. Cook it to brown it or no?
Halfway done.
Halfway done. What's that?
Pepper.
Some pepper. What's that?
Salt.
Salt.
And take it out.
Put it away.
Then she puts it in another bowl and puts it off to the side.
What's that?
Garlic.
Garlic.
A little bit of onion.
More onions.
A little bit of green onion.
Green onions.
You add the rice.
Add 5 to 6 scoops of white rice.
Rice.
Carrot.
Carrots.
Add a cup of diced carrots. Now mix and stir together. And keep that temperature at low heat. Add some light soy sauce.
This is light soy sauce.
Light soy sauce. Light soy sauce.
Add some oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
A sprinkle of black pepper.
Black pepper.
A little bit of fish sauce.
What's that? Fish sauce. Okay, what's that? Sugar?
And a tablespoon of sugar.
tablespoon of sugar. Mix again.
So, is this making you hungry yet? Now we add our bowl of scrambled eggs.
Yeah, we throw in the eggs.
Put the eggs back in.
Then we add our bowl of shrimps with scallops.
Put your rest of the ingredients in. Those off to the
Scallop
side.
and the
Scallop and all of the stuff over there.
scallop and
Okay. So the temperature is still low.
Sight, the sound, and the smells. Just a feast of my senses right now.
okay. Done.
All done. Seafood fried rice.
Right. Good job.
Now Nancy places it in a nice serving bowl.
Now,
Cilantro
cilantro,
and a little bit of onion.
the onions.
And here we have Nancy's masterpiece. Seafood fried rice. Mmm. So yummy. Now ready to be served to family and friends. So if you liked my video and found it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Once again, thanks for watching.